The energy landscape is changing, and we need to adapt. Decarbonization is creating uncertainty in both energy providers and users. There are plenty of promising technologies, but changing environmental regulations and fluctuating fuel markets make it difficult to decide on long-term investments. So how can we ensure a reliable and future-proof energy supply for your business? We can start decarbonizing your energy production now with proven and versatile energy solutions tailored to your business, future-proofing your investments by adapting to change with flexibility. Solutions like our future fuel-ready engines, so you can turn the challenge of change into a chance for long-term energy security.